All right, we over here not too far from my house on got Mr. Joel here with me, his property. He's got some nuisance hogs in here, got a big boar in here, and we're gonna go try the scope out. He hollered at me, said, hey, you wanna go try that scope out? Let's go kill this boar. So we fixing go in here on his place. He's got him baited up, been coming in every night, and we're gonna go check him out, see if we can kill him. Got the roads fixed up nice in here. That hog, if he comes in before we get ready out, if he comes in that camera, I'll see. I got it. Yeah. You can lower that seat. I don't know if I can hunt this thing. Too nice for me. All right, we set up. We got shoot lane right down here where Mr. Joel says they're gonna come out. All right, y'all can see right there, he's got a protein feeder set up on this lane he's feeding in. Said this hog's been coming in every night out of that bottom down in there. So we're gonna wait him out and see what happens. Got our first visitor. Got a coon coming in. That's a big one. Is the red record? Yeah, okay, so are you good? Yeah. Smoky. Quick. That's an excellent shot, buddy. High shoulder shot. I smoke them every time. Yeah. Well, we was gonna try the night vision out, but you gotta settle for what you get when Mr. Piggy comes out. Yeah. I'm so glad you got him, brother. He has eaten so much of my food and tearing my feed troughs up. That's a good shot, Brad. Probably what, but 90, probably 80 yards. Sorry. He's trying to suck that bullet up like that. Let's see how far that is. You still got this message go off. I don't know what to do. 84 yards, 83 yards. I think that's why that raccoon took off running, huh? Probably so, yeah. He's still down there. We'll take him out too. He friend, he saw that joker coming. I believe he's done for. Yep. Good in here and check this boar hog out. Well, we didn't get to use the night vision, but don't pass a hog when he comes out. That's a rule of thumb. 300 blackout with a new scope, night vision scope from OneLeaf. That's the first kill with it. Should have it all on film recorded. The Commander NV400 Eagle. Pretty good sized hog, Brad. Yes, big hog. Big hog. Big old nasty one. You got some cutters too, bro. Look at that. That's a big old nasty joker. Jeez. Probably 200-pound hog, huh, Brad? Yeah, he's probably 200, maybe better than 200. Boy, he's thick. Old cutters on him. He'd mess you up. Took him out. Alright, that's it. First kill for the new scope. Had Mr. Joel want us to come over and help him get rid of this boar hog. So appreciate the opportunity to come over and shoot him. What, I ain't quarter mile from the house, am I, right here? So
nope.
Worked out perfect. We didn't even have to get eat up by mosquitoes. We're gonna load him up, haul him off, and I don't know, he might be crawfish bait. I'm not eating that joker. But he ain't eating no more deer feed.
Nope, and I'm thankful you got him, brother.
That's a big one. One less we got to deal with. Hey, that's gonna be it for this one. God's Country Hunting and Fishing, keeping it real.